Hi friends, and welcome back. I'm just getting ready to head out for a walk, but I just wanted to chat with you for just a moment before I upload this video. I just wanted to check in and see what everyone has been up to. I've actually had a quiet week here. At least it felt like quiet because I really didn't go anywhere, but I did get quite a bit done. I did take the time finally to go through clothes and sort and donate, and boy did that feel good. We don't have a ton of storage here in this house, so I do have to do that fairly often. But anyway, so I got that done, and then I did a real deep clean of our bedroom, and it just feels so good to have that done because it takes time. It took me probably a couple of days, just to go through and get all of that done. But I did that, and then I did take some time and started a little bit of Valentine decorating, I guess you could call it, winter decorating, adding a little bit of pink and reds in. I don't really decorate for Valentine's Day, but just a switch from Christmas. And then yesterday, Saturday, we went into Portsmouth, New Hampshire. We love Portsmouth, and just took the day walking around. I actually probably did more walking around and looking at the houses and things more than I did shopping. And then we went into we had dinner at 110 Grill, which we love. We have two daughters are still, they're up here with us this weekend, and a couple of family members need to eat gluten-free due to a wheat intolerance, and 110 Grill is perfect for that. It's wonderful. We've never had a bad meal there. We've always had a good meal, whether it's gluten or gluten-free. It's been great. So if you have a 110 Grill in your area, I highly recommend you to try it. But anyway, that was it. So I'm just going to share a little bit of that with you today, and that's it. I'm going to go out for a quick walk, come back in, get this video edited and uploaded. So I hope you have a wonderful week. Let me know what you've been up to. I'm interested to see what people do in this quiet time of year. So anyway, have a great week, friends, and we'll see you next time.